In my previous video, I mentioned how the Gasket Remover Pro was useful for cleaning out carb bowls, so I'm now going to try it on this one, which we can see is particularly nasty. Okay, let's give it a try. Right, I'll just let that soak for a few minutes and we'll come back to it and see what it does. So I had a few minutes with the Gasket Remover Pro in the bowl, gave it a little bit of an agitate with a brass brush, but not much. That goes a bit gooey, the residue, but I then did clean it with the same CRC Brake Clean Pro, and as you can see, the change in the it's quite nice and clean without doing anything else. I will still stick it through the ultrasonic cleaner, but as a matter of course with the rest of the bodies, but it's quite good at cleaning the bowls anyway. Again, it's the CRC Brake Clean Pro and Gasket Remover Pro, which again I got from Motor Electrical online.